Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, July 21st, 2021, and we have a continuation of really hot weather, which continues to take place in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. But here is the story over there for the past several days, and especially yesterday. The National Weather Service over there, the Meteorological Society, Meteorological Institute over there, has issued various warnings for rain yesterday due to a cloud seeding program that they started where they sent drones up into the upper atmosphere and produced electrical shocks into the clouds. Some even say that the drones were capable of producing clouds. It's not clear whether that is true or not, or whether there already were clouds. But in either case, light, moderate, and at times even heavy rain was falling in the eastern part of the country, and it appears like the cloud seeding was an effective way to get it to rain. One of the reasons for the cloud seeding, sometimes it's because of a drought, but also temperatures were hitting 122 degrees. Temperatures reached 122 degrees in some spots, and the rain is somewhat effective at lowering those temperatures. So that is the latest news right now. People could stay up to date in regards to that if they choose to. It looks like it's a little bit complex, and sometimes it looks like this multi-million cloud seeding project they're trying to keep it a little bit hidden. That's what it appears at times, so not all of the information is available, but this is probably the fourth time or so this past month where they've carried out such a project. It's been done several times already, and there has been rain, in fact, even heavy rain, and even some floods due to this cloud seeding. Other than that, it is just sunny, very hot, very humid. Temperatures of 105 to 110 degrees for Dubai for the next week. That's equivalent to temperatures in Celsius, like 40 degrees Celsius to about 43 degrees Celsius or so, with heating disease due to the high temperatures of about 45 to 48 degrees Celsius, about 113 or way higher than that. 115 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit would be the maximum heating disease, with overnight lows well into the 90s. Ocean water temperatures, as we pointed out yesterday, were in the low 90s. That is the end of this podcast. We hopefully, Emirates Hashem, God willing, will have updates in regards to the cloud seeding and what type of an impact it is having on the weather over there. They are one of the first countries to carry out a cloud seeding project using drones and using an electrical current as opposed to the chemicals that are used in about 8 states here in the United States. And there remains a machlokas, different of opinions as to whether the cloud seeding is actually working. But it seems pretty clear to many that there is a direct cause and effect, that the drones have been responsible for producing rain, even heavy rain, that probably never would have occurred otherwise. I wish everybody a great day.